guys, welcome back to my channel, and in today's video will be another unboxing video, and this time it'll be my Glossybox for the month of April. If you guys are interested in what I got in my Glossybox for the month of April, just keep on watching. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and let's dive right in. Glossybox is a $21 subscription box, and you get this every single month. I think you get at least one to two full-size products and 3 deluxe samples, I think. Don't quote me on that. I will just leave it right here if I find the information, but yeah, I do pay $21 for this box. And it does come in a box like so. Inside the box looks like this, and I think we got this last month as well. I don't know if they do this every single month, but I got this one, and I also got the Hello Fresh voucher. So interesting. Inside the box is another box, which is the Glossybox box. Which looks like that. It's super cute. This is my second box from them, and the first box I wasn't really impressed. The value of that box was only about $60, and I thought it wasn't worth $21 at all. Hopefully this is worth it. Ooh, that's cute. Alright, so they wrap it really well. As you guys can see, the presentation is really nice, so it's a big plus. We shall open it. Alright, they do give you a pamphlet, and it looks like this. The theme this month is Blossom, and so the products are inside as well as the prices. I just love the presentation, and I will definitely reuse this box because it's very sturdy. It's a really good box, you guys. Okay, so the first thing I see in here, which I'm really excited, is a dry shampoo. I think this is a full size. This retails for $5.49. This is from the brand Colab here. The scent is original. Let me smell it. I've never heard of this brand. Okay, that smells really good. Yeah, it smells like a rose scent. Like exactly like rose. It smells really good. And I like dry shampoo. I'm excited for this one. And that was $5.49. Then, from the brand Avant or I don't know, how do you guys say this? Avant skincare. This is the Gentle Rose Beautifying Face Exfoliant. Oh, I thought it was gonna be a lotion. Okay, I like this. Full size, I believe, is $114. It doesn't say how much this travel size costs, but that's expensive for a full-size exfoliant. So let me see. So this is for hydrate intensely and smooth wrinkles with this double duty face exfoliant that leaves the skin soft and supple thanks to its blend of rose and vitamin B5. And I want to know if you guys have tried this specific product before. I'm really curious if this works or not. This is pretty cool though. Again, full size of this is $114. I don't think this is full size. $114. And if I do find the price of this deluxe sample, I will leave it right here so you guys know how much it is. The next thing in here is a nail polish. Looks like that. This is from the brand Nails.Inc. And this is the Blossom Kisses nail polish. This retails for $11. This is a full size. I'm excited to use this one. Oh my goodness. I love nail polishes. Okay, looks like that. Really perfect for spring. Again, this is from Nail.Inc. Retails for $11. Okay, so the next one in here is this little box, and this is a Deluxe mini. Oh, okay, it's a perfume. This is Viktor&Rolf Flowerbomb Nectar. So the Deluxe mini retails for $23.69. I think I have this actually. This is so cute. Look at that. So cute. I actually like mini fragrances because it smells really subtle. It's jasmine, orange flower, vanilla. Yeah. So that's pretty cool. I'm excited to use this one. I wish more subscription boxes would include like a deluxe perfume like this, because I do collect mini perfumes. I don't know why. I have an obsession with them, only because, like, you know how perfumes can be very expensive and you don't really get through them. You know, like a full-size bottle is about $180, over $100. Some of them might be like $80, but still, just to spray on your body, that's really expensive. So I like the mini perfumes, and I'm really happy that they included this in my box. Again, that retails for $23.69. Ooh, what is this one? It's a sheet mask. This is from the brand. What? That is so weird. Okay, this is from the brand Cirem. Is that how you say it? Okay, you guys see that, right? Cirem. But then the pamphlet shows this. It shows Ruby. I don't even think they're in the same brand. No, vitamin masks. So that's a different brand, and this is a different sheet mask. I'm not really sure what's going on. So I can't really tell you guys the price. If I do find it online, I will just leave it right here. But it feels really jelly inside. So this has retinol, vitamin C, hyaluronic acid. Oh, so this is for brightening, which I can always just, you know, use. I do have a lot of sheet masks right now, and I'm excited that I have another one. The last one in here is a tattoo. That's pretty cool. So this is inked by Dani, and this is the Flower Child Temporary Tattoos. Retails for $12.99. These are so fun. I kind of want to use one of them. Oh, I really like that sunflower though. I kind of want to use that soon. Or even just that flower right there. These are so fun. I'm so excited that they included a tattoo. I've never done a temporary tattoo before, so wish me luck. That was everything, you guys. It's all empty, and I'm left with a really nice box. Gift something, I can just put it in here and reuse this box. So it's always handy to have boxes like this because it's a nice sturdy box. That was everything. Let me calculate, see how much my box value is at this month. So before I show you guys the value of my box, I just want to point out that the Avant, or the Avant skincare, the exfoliant, it actually retails for $114 just for this mini deluxe bottle right here. That is really expensive, and I had to look it up. It is a UK brand, that's why I've never really heard of this before, but I think it's really cool that it's even in our box this month. Also, this Cirem sheet mask retails for $20. That's expensive, you guys, for a sheet mask. And the total value of my box is $187.17, and I only paid $21 for this whole thing. Overall thoughts, I really do love the box this month compared to last month's box. What are you guys' thoughts? Do you like the Glossybox this month? Leave a comment down below. If you have Glossybox, did we get the same things? If you haven't subscribed to them, I will just leave the link below. I'm not affiliated with Glossybox. I'm not sponsored or anything. I bought this with my own money. I can't wait for whatever I'm gonna get next month. I guess it's just really a hit or miss kind of thing, because last month it was awful. This month they actually put some really good stuff in there in our boxes. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like this video if you did, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.